Article 236 of the Indian Constitution is a part of Chapter 6, which deals with subordinate courts. This article provides specific definitions to ensure clarity and uniformity in interpreting terms used in the chapter. Here is a detailed explanation of each clause in Article 236. Clause A. Interpretation of District Judge. The term district judge is expanded to include various judicial positions beyond the conventional role of a district judge. This ensures that all these positions are recognized and treated within the same framework for administrative and legal purposes. The positions included are: Judge of a city civil court, a judge who presides over civil matters in a city court. Additional district judge, an auxiliary judge who assists the district judge in managing the caseload. Joint district judge, a judge who shares responsibilities with the district judge. Assistant district judge, a subordinate judge who aids the district judge. Chief judge of a small cause court, the head judge in a court dealing with minor civil disputes. Chief presidency magistrate, the principal magistrate in the presidency towns, major cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Additional chief presidency magistrate, an additional magistrate aiding the chief presidency magistrate. Sessions judge, a judge who presides over sessions court dealing with serious criminal cases. Additional sessions judge, an additional judge aiding the sessions judge. Assistant sessions judge, a subordinate judge in the sessions court. This inclusive definition ensures that all these roles are covered under the term district judge for uniformity in administrative matters and legal interpretations. Clause B. Interpretation of judicial service. The term judicial service refers to the cadre of judicial officers who are intended to fill the post of district judge, the primary judicial authority in a district. Other civil judicial posts inferior to the post of district judge. This includes all subordinate civil judicial positions below the rank of a district judge. By defining judicial service in this manner, the Constitution ensures that there is a clear understanding of the hierarchy and the roles within the judicial system. This helps in the proper administration and functioning of the judiciary, ensuring that all these posts are filled by individuals who are part of a structured judicial service. The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 6. Subordinate Courts. Article 236. Interpretation. In this chapter, A. The expression district judge includes judge of a city civil court, additional district judge, joint district judge, assistant district judge, chief judge of a small cause court, chief presidency magistrate, additional chief presidency magistrate, sessions judge, additional sessions judge and assistant sessions judge. B. The expression judicial service means a service consisting exclusively of persons intended to fill the post of district judge and other civil judicial posts inferior to the post of district judge.